Example A, for any positive integer n, the sum of the first n positive integers equals n times n plus 1 over 2. What's the sum of all the multiples of 3 between 100 and 350? Okay, here we can actually neglect all of this because we know a better formula to calculate the sum of the terms of a sequence. We have a sequence here, arithmetic sequence. The multiples of 3 between these two values, we can identify the first multiple of 3 would be 102, and the last would be the closest value to 350 and of 340 something, at the same time multiple of 3, that would be 348. And now, what is the number of elements? Would be 348 minus 102 divided by 3 plus 1. So that gives you 642 over 3 plus 1, that is 82 plus 1 equals 83. And the median you can calculate as the average of these two. So 450 divided by 2, 225. Now for the sum, you just need to multiply these two. Don't worry about the whole multiplication. Focus on the last digit. It must end in 5. So the correct answer should be ended in 5. That's it.